Anchorroom. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Intent. Today it's going to be about the Sixth Element, not the Bruce Willis movie, even though that is a killer movie.
Let's go now.
Anyway, no, talking about carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, y'all. We all love carbon fiber. It's like the new, material for cars. Look at all the supercars. Even now it's in BMWs and starting to trickle down. Actually, you could get a kit with carbon fiber on this car, but don't have it. Instead, we have this horrible plasticky nod to the old school turnt metal looking dash, and I get it, that's cool. It was cool in the muscle cars, but it was actually metal. This time it is so plastico. There is no mistaking it for turnt metal aluminum. So I bought a $160 kit from CJ Pawnee Parts from Anchorroom, and it's a decent looking kit with decent looking vinyl. So I'm going to show you how to install it. We're going to do the first mod to the Mustang. Guys, come with me, hang around, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. And let's get into it. So yeah, I wish the interior was a lot better in this car, but I mean, there's a lot of really cheap plastics in here, and that's a big thing that bugs me every time I get in this car. Now, I will say I am enjoying this car a lot more than the RS, because every day I want to go out and drive this. I want to drive it, and that's what was missing in the RS. So, but let's do just a quick video, show you how this goes on, and look at it afterwards. And I appreciate you guys for watching. First, we're going to clean it with some alcohol. That's important. If you don't have it clean, you are not going to get a good lay down. It's not going to cover right. It might lift up and have bubbles. So let's clean everything, and then I'll show you how to apply it. So this is what you get in the kit. The carbon fiber looks pretty good, actually. Satin, it looks like realistic carbon fiber. Sometimes you can get decals and it's not carbon fiber. You get a sheet that lays out everything, some alcohol wipes, sticker, gotta have a sticker even though it won't go on the Mustang, and a decent squeegee with a felt tip. So let's go down here and put this on, see if we can upgrade the trim. First, we're gonna pick what you wanna do. I think focusing on a smaller section, an easier one first to get the feel of the vinyl, because a lot of vinyls are different. This is supposedly and feels like a good vinyl with air release technology, so we'll see. But I'm going to go for around the headlight switch. We'll try that first. So the first thing you're going to want to do is clean it, and they supply alcohol wipes. And what you'll need is scissors, because it comes in one big sheet, and you really want to just cut out around the piece that you're going to use. Comes with a really good squeegee, and you'll need a sprayer with water. That way you can put these on wet, and you can reposition them if you need to. All right, so let's just clean this up real quick. You want to make sure you get into all the edges and stuff. You don't want anything hanging around on this, because that's the biggest, most crucial part to getting vinyl or anything to lay down and stay right. So you don't want hairs, you don't want dust, you don't want oil from your fingertips. All right, so you're going to take your spray bottle, and what you want to do is you don't want to spray on the panel. So we're just going to pull this up. Yeah, this looks like really good vinyl. And we're just going to spray the back side. Okay. Just gonna spray the backside, not soak it, but just enough where we can have a little forgiveness. And then now it's just gonna be up to positioning it. So you can just kindly stick it on there real easy like that. And it would be good to have a heat gun too, but it's pretty hot today. I think I can manage. Now you just want to take your time and you want to line everything up the best you can. I'm gonna spray it down just a little bit more here. Okay. Okay. This side looks good, so we're just gonna squeegee right here. Yeah, you want to be pretty careful, and like the edges, you can just take the edge of your squeegee and go in there. But that's pretty much it. A heat gun will help smooth out any wrinkles or anything you get in here. There we go. Now I've got a lot more to do, so let's get to it. All right, so here's the big piece. Of course, goes on there like that. This is the piece that everyone's going to be worried about, which is fine. I mean, you know, but it's not that bad once you get into it. So first thing we're going to do, we're just going to peel up an edge. And carefully peel this back, so you don't want to stretch around these circles, any of these cutouts. You don't want to stretch it out. But this material is actually really, really good, high quality, and it better be $470 for this kit. I'm gonna wet this one down pretty good. Oh. Alright, we're just gonna get it up here for an just initial lay. And then just start positioning it. So this is definitely the hardest piece, of course, with all the different cutouts and stuff, but just start at one edge, make sure it's wet, work your way back and forth, have patience. It took me about 25 minutes, hence the sped up video, but eventually I stretched it a little bit and we got it there. So to sum up, the carbon fiber kit for the S550 from Anchorroom looks really good. The only problem is some of the stenciling. It shows too much of what's underneath around the edges and stuff, and I get why. They have to make it where it's decently easy for people to put it on. If you're a true professional, you're just going to buy a whole sheet and do it yourself. But yeah, the edges show through, and I don't like that. You still see, flashes of that silver dash. So other than that, really easy to work with, very forgiving. You can pull it up, remove it, drop it. I mean, as long as you use water and put it on, yeah, I mean, it's easy as it can be. Just take your time with it. Guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope that helped anybody out. If it did, leave me a comment. Let me know what I should do next to the Mustang. See you guys later.